Wow, look at the Muicin serum variety. At first, triple X vitamin C serum. Secondly, anti-freckles shrink pores serum. Thirdly, they also got vitamin C serum. Next, we got eye massage serum. In addition, they also got rice serum. Meanwhile, they also got another vitamin C serum. After that, they also got peeling solution. Another peeling solution. Also, they got caffeine eye serum. Another vitamin C serum 50 ml. In addition, they also have advanced brightening vitamin C serum. Another shrink pores serum. Wow, just an amazing variety of serums Muicin have.